The Andes Expedition Colombia Tour is a brand new tour that we have designed and put on our touring program this year. It's a 16-day mixed terrain tour made specifically for adventure riders that really know how to ride off-road and ride long days and want to ride hard and see as much as possible in a short amount of time. So we cover 3,500 kilometers of all types of terrain that you can imagine. We do sand, mud, high mountains, river crossings, beautiful paved, curvy roads. We just came back from our Andes Expedition tour with a group of Canadian and American riders.
He's more photogenic.
And we had just a spectacular time. It's a hard ride, but I think everybody really got tested and really enjoyed being tested on this trip. So now, since the peace treaty has been signed with the rebel groups in Colombia, this country is the new tourist destination, and it's absolutely on the top of world destination when it comes to adventure riding. So I want you to come here and ride with me now.